Now I have spread the vegetables on top of the crepe. कैमरा में मेमोरी नहीं था, इसके लिए कैमरा बंद हो गया, so I had to make it in two parts the video. Now if you want, you can again spread a little bit of onion greens on top of this. Now when it is cooked, you can just now roll this. And serve it along with the sauce or chutney as you wish. So Szechuan Mung roll is ready to serve here. Thank you for watching the video. रेसिपी के लिए लॉग इन कीजिए rasavinsarai.blogspot.in में.